Hey y'all, come on in. Good Wednesday evening. I tell you what, I had to take a few days off, y'all. This change of weather again, it always gets to my throat. Plus, I was tired from cooking for Thanksgiving. So I hope you all are having a God-blessed Wednesday evening and that all went well, that your Thanksgiving was beautiful, you had fun, the family was there, and everything went well for you, and that you're still eating them good old leftovers. Because I'm telling you, I packaged my leftovers. I'll show y'all my video in a day or so. I put it all together, honey. I got those leftovers together, and we're about to step away from leftovers. We've been eating leftovers ever since what? Thursday. It's almost Thursday again. Doesn't time pass fast? As you can see, I'm putting together here a little salad, and I'm gonna do some Granny Smith baked apples. I had a bunch of them. Kids didn't eat them while they were here, so I thought, you know what? I love baked apples. This reminds me of childhood. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put me a little bit of stevia. Let's start with that first. I'm going to put me about 1/4 of a teaspoon of stevia on these babies, because nobody's going to eat it but me. Nobody but me. Everybody else was like, ew. Nobody likes this but me. So a little bit of stevia on here. And then I'm going to put me a little bit of brown sugar. I already put my butter down. Ooh, why did that get so hard? Must get some moisture to that. Some brown sugar. About a 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar down in there. And I got about 1/4 of a teaspoon of butter already in there. And we're gonna, I should have sprinkled my bacon, my cinnamon, but I didn't. So we're just gonna sprinkle some cinnamon and a little tiny bit of nutmeg right on top. Okay. And all that goodness is just gonna go down through there. When they get just about done, I'm gonna throw me some honey on there for about the last 2 or 3 minutes. Let's get me a little bit of few shakes of cinnamon on. Okay, got that cinnamon going. So these babies are ready to go into the, I'm gonna put them right in the microwave. I'm gonna put me a piece of saran wrap over the top of them and run them right through the microwave for about, I'm gonna bake them as if I was baking a sweet potato. As if I was baking 2 baked sweet potatoes, and I think the time for 2 baked sweet potatoes should do it. So these are going to go into the oven. Be right back. Okay, it's time to put my salad together, y'all. Those apples are just ready. I'm gonna let them sit and rest for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get me some of this spring salad mix. I'm just gonna load it up with veggies and fruit. Okay. Okay. Move that right out the way. You know, I was looking at another stove today. It was a gas stove, of course, with the burners. Beautiful stove. But then, you know what I thought about? I won't be able to do this on a gas burning stove. I just won't be able to do it, so. That's the other thing. This stove cooks really, really good, and it serves as a countertop for me. So I just love it. Okay, we're going to slice up a couple of these little Campari. I love these Campari tomatoes. It's Campari, I think that's the way you say it. So I'm just slicing them in little chunks, pretty much. They're so little. I think 3 of them will be enough. Okay. And then I'm gonna put, I got strawberries I'm gonna put on here. Slice some strawberries on there. Got me 3 strawberries. I did have 4, I ate the other one. These strawberries are not real sweet, but they're real good and tasty. Tasty, tasty. I'm watching something on TV. Y'all know that. I'm sure y'all feel that TV. Okay, so so far I got tomatoes, strawberries, and of course the lettuce. I'm gonna slice a few pieces of this avocado. At least I'm gonna use the whole avocado. It's real ripe. I need to use it all. I don't need to save it. These lasted pretty good this time. I've been had these in the fridge 2 weeks. So that was a good batch of avocado. So I'm just gonna, I try to get my one of these nice cucumbers in every day. So this is my first cucumber of the day. Just gonna put everything. There ain't nothing like a good old loaded salad, y'all. Okay. And the last fruit I'm gonna put on there is gonna be some blueberries, and then of course I got my baked apples. It's gonna be what is my dessert for today. This is my dinner, and I've got some. You know, I got some rotisserie chicken. I always get a rotisserie chicken when I go to Sam's. I had to go to Sam's to grab some things for an activity that I have coming up for the Arts Council. Some plates and cups. Napkin and cups, right? Okay. All done. All done. There's my other strawberry. I'm just gonna cut it up. This is my sweet balsamic sprinkle. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that right on top. Probably a good teaspoon is all I'm putting it on there. And of course, you know I'm gonna get my fresh garlic in. Grab my spoon here. Ooh, it's almost time for me to get some more garlic going, y'all. Oh, it never fails. Every time I open that garlic jar, it smells so wonderful. Okay. That's a good tablespoon of fresh garlic. And of course, now I got my rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna chop that chicken up over here. I like the breast meat. So I've already sliced this chicken. And I'm just gonna take some breast meat from here and just cut it up right over top of it. It's gonna be this is my dinner for the night, y'all. This is my Wednesday night dinner. Kareem, well, that's his half. I'm not eating half a chicken, but this is the half I'll cut off of for myself. I'll just take a little bit of that dark meat with a little bit of that skin. Gotta have a little bit of skin. Okay, so I got my salad all ready. And the next thing that goes on here is gonna be my salad dressing. Now I'm gonna be using some of this Thai dressing. And I've already used my balsamic vinaigrette, sweet balsamic vinaigrette. So I'm just gonna put just a little bit more on top of my chicken. Okay. And I'm about ready to put on my dressing here shortly. Okay, I'm about ready to sit down and relax and enjoy this salad. But before I do, I'm gonna put me a little bit of Tabitha's seasoning. It has a little kick. I can use a little kick on my salad. So we got a little bit of her salad dressing on there. Seasoning, it's not the dressing, it's the seasoning. It's, no salt. I believe it's ginger, pineapple, and garlic. Okay, these I buy all the time. These pork rinds, love me some pork rinds. So I don't have any croutons. So I'm going to use these like croutons. All I'm going to do with them is I'm going to take them and break them up a little bit. And then I'm going to put them on top of my salad, y'all. So I'm going to put them right on top of my salad. I don't want to put them on yet because I'm not going to eat all this salad. I'll take half of this off the plate. One serving of pork rinds on there. Then I'll put my dressing on. Pork rinds are good. You can put them with hot sauce or whatever you want to put them with, but I'm going to use these pork rinds like croutons. So, I mean, you can use as many as you like, but so it doesn't get overpowering, I think about one serving is enough for me. And what I always do is, once I get everything on, I pour my salad dressing on, then I put my croutons on. So the croutons are going to be the last, y'all. So, we're done here. That is my dinner for tonight. I'm going to get me something cold and frosty to drink. And we're going to call it a night, y'all. As always, thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for your prayers, your well wishes, your comments, and your compliments. And so glad that you all had a great Thanksgiving and that y'all tuned in. I know y'all were with me the whole way through. Not been looking at any news. And you know one thing about me, when I'm tired, I don't want to hear anything negative, and that's to me what the news is. So I figure I can just pray without ceasing, without listening to the news to hear all those things. I know there's been, I believe there was another shooting. So we just pray to the glory of God for those families for comfort. We're praying for any bereavement among you. We ask for peace that passes all understanding. We ask for traveling mercies if you're traveling during the holidays for bereavement or for just for vacation. We just ask God to watch over you and to keep you and to bless you. And that when you leave and go back home, we see you back home safe, sound, and everything is all right. So always we pray for the will of God in our lives. And we're going to remember to pray without ceasing as we do each and every day. So till I decide to cook something again, y'all, love you. Pray for me and I'll do the same for you. Start getting ready for Christmas now. Don't let it creep up on you. Get a head start on it so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy it. Again, thank y'all for stopping by. Do something kind for somebody now. Word, a deed, a cash app. Cash apps would be real good this time of the year. So, until we meet again, y'all, love you. Toodles. Pray without ceasing now and do something good for somebody.